Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you ding that bell so that you are not missing any of my videos that I post every single week. This week, I am so excited to be collaborating with Duvolle. They have sent me the most amazing skin care system. It is so perfect for your skin and also for your entire body. With 4 interchangeable accessories, including a facial exfoliation brush, large body cleansing brush, facial cleansing brush, and a pumice stone. Okay, so I will give you guys the information and then I will go with what's inside the box. First off, it's important to know that this is water resistant, which is amazing because you can use it in the shower. And on the side here it says, "Hello beautiful, reveal the hidden glow of your skin with the Radiance Skin Care System. Deeply cleanse your skin with the Radiance Skin Care System's rotating movement to achieve cleaner and more vibrant skin over your whole body." Okay, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what comes in this particular skin care system, and then later on I will show you guys how I actually put this to use. So when you open your box, you're going to obviously see the product, the skin care system, and then also the Radiance Skin Care instructions. So here you obviously see the skin care tool, and then of course you have the brushes. It's important for you guys to know that this does take 4 AA batteries. They do not come with batteries, so make sure you have 4 AA batteries so that you can add them in. I have batteries in mine, but I will just show you guys how easy it is to open this. You just open it up and you put your batteries inside. It shows you the instructions on how to put the batteries inside this as well. And then you just pop it back on, that easy. Then you have your on and off switches are here in the middle. It's super easy to work, as you can see, on, off. Very quick and easy. And the 4 attachments that come along with this particular system, you have your pumice stone, you have your large brush, which is, I can't wait to try this one. This is for your entire body. And then you have the exfoliator as well as the cleansing brush, which the exfoliator and the cleansing brush kind of look the same to me, but in the instructions it shows you more in detail what each of these look like so that you know which attachment you're actually putting onto your cleanser. Okay, and also with the Radiance Skin Care System, like I said, you get the instructions. It tells you to please read the enclosed instructions carefully before using. Please make sure you follow those instructions. And then, like I said, everything is here that you need, from the introduction, preparing the unit for use, using the unit, what does what with each of the brushes and how to use it, as well as using the pumice stone for rough skin. I actually think I'm gonna try the pumice stone on my feet when I do my pedicures, because I do my own pedicures, so I think it's absolutely perfect for that. And then on the back of the instructions, it also tells you how to do cleaning and storage. So it's really, really perfect. It's super easy, you guys. I personally have been looking for something like this for my face, so I'm really excited that they actually sent me this and I can use it for my entire body, so that's a super win. The brushes are all super soft. You would think that, you know, they would have a rough feeling, because a lot of the time other brands will have a rougher feeling when it's scrubbing on your face. These are super soft, and you can actually see the amount of dirt that this cleanser gets off of your face as well, which was really impressive to me. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give this product a 10 across the board. It is absolutely perfect. My skin feels amazing after using it. It's convenient and it's easy to use. If you'd like to see how I used my Duvolle Radiance Skin Care System, keep on watching.
I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Be